Oh, guys, the signal is moving so fast. I'm so sorry. But I was still sending messages in the VIP and the VVIP. This is what I'm looking at. It's so simple. I have my support and resistance. I'm on a profit of 66 rands so far. Uh, Good morning. Happy Monday. Let's see what we have. So um, because of this impulsive movement, I'm expecting. Sure, I don't know. It's becoming tricky. So I'm expecting a retest to this point, to here. So I'm expecting something of this sort. Then we'll add too much. Uh, yeah, at least we can put a target here. Ah, we are back like we never left. Please tell me if you can see the screen and if you can hear me. I'm doing sound check. Ew. I'm so sorry. Ah, man. Live. Okay. Yeah, but I can't take you out. You guys, as you guys are entering too much. Making that position that I said with 0.03, and I'm having a minus 95 rands. You guys probably entered 0.10. I'm just gonna add another 0.3. So now I have 0.6. No, went into profit like 2 minutes, then boom. Yeah, those are retests. So it becomes a lesson. It becomes a lesson to enter. I'm sure you guys are not in the VIP. So let me show you what I tell them in the VIP. So this is the signal that I gave in the VIP. Just maybe take a note. Take you blow your account and why they don't blow their accounts. So those who just came, please sell. The ones that blew, they entered too much or with less money. So check what I say here. I always say I recommend 200 or 300, and please enter like I told you, and we add as we go. So less to them, I mean that they must enter with 0.01, 0.02, depending on their balance. Then from there, they must increase. Just like now, I entered with my balance is too big. You will see when I start taking screenshots. I entered with 0.3. I went into profit of I think almost 200. Then with that pullback, I was into negative 100 rands, and I have a balance of over 500. So it's the risk management, guys. Remember, I don't really have stop loss and take profit because what I do is that I deposit what I'm willing to lose, then I work around that. So you see how my VIP signal is. That recommendation and the bracket thing, it's always a reminder to them that no matter how excited they are, they must enter less and they will add more as they go deep into profits. You see, we have 29 people are awake. Never thought it would be like this. So my target is that low, at least for the day. I think I can pull that. Okay. My target is that low. So part of parcel of trading it's the waiting game. You might be good at analyzing, but your waiting game must also be that good. You must wait and let setups play out, run into the negative, come back to the positive. You can't run away from it. So I don't know if I have any concerns. Just write the questions or what's happening in your account there in the chat box. I'll explain. If you want me to do something on the market right now, I will do it. Actually, I wish people that are in the full mentorship can come and see because this thing is where I teach them. 10 minutes since we started our live. We have approximately an hour until we close it, or 15 minutes. So normally I keep my lives for an hour or so. If there is, guys, you must know that we do not control the market. If there's a change of direction, I'm going to tell you and I will show you here what do I mean when I say change of direction. If we have to take a loss, but remember this signal is part and parcel of the 2 weeks challenge doing the VIP. So if we have to take a loss, we won't run away from it. But so far, actually, I don't know. I wanted to remove that advertisement. But so far, what's the reason for sell? So the person who's asking the reason for sell, look at this. So the reason here is that we had an upside movement. Let me move this. So we had an upside movement to this. I'm going to show you why I have a block here. Then we had a breakout of a trend line. We had a retest, and it's definitely going to It's definitely going to show you why I have that block. I have that block because this is the last point where the market resisted. So I hope you do understand our reason for selling. So we are selling because we're on an upside that had so many respected levels. I'm just gonna do this because I wanna show you these respected levels. So where you see that the market was supposed to or was not supposed to cross the trend line. This was an upside movement. So here we had a different story. I don't know if you guys can still see. Let me see. Because normally when I move into trading view, everything closes. The screen turns black. So here we started having a breakout, and it becomes a valid breakout because of this. So this is a key point. People that are in the mentorship, they know that the first thing that we learn, it's the support and resistance, which are key level in trading. So this is the last resistance to the downside movement. It pushed it up, it broke the resistance, then it's becoming the support to this movement. A retest to here is necessary, then the same resistance that turned into support, it's important to support the movement to the downside. That's why I'm telling you that I'm very confident that we'll hit here and everyone should be happy. So people that entered, I'm sure you're in profit. I'm sure I'm in profit. I'm in a crazy profit. So I hope you guys can understand. I'm just gonna leave this. No, I'm gonna move them. I hate I hate my chat ugly. I want it to be beautiful. No, I want it to be simple so that someone can see what is my goal, what is my aim. So the person that asked what's the reason for sell, that's my reason for sell. What's the reason? Yeah, I had the same setup. Hey my guy. See, okay, it's fine. Okay, I'm also in profit in Bosnati. We just started, don't worry. We'll hit the downside movement there. We're still waiting for a proper retest. So that block that I'm having there, it's a potential retest level. Do not add. I'm gonna try and tell you guys to add, but then do not add so far. We're still fighting. We're still fighting to be in profits. Kokano, what was I explaining before? Um, I don't know. Currently in profit. Welcome to our Monday live sessions. People that learn action, they know what I just explained, the thing of a trend line and until the breakout, the retest, everything that I made there. Even though you don't know how to, even though you're not profitable, you know these concepts and you know what they mean. Maybe it might be hard to identify them. So one thing that I know, sleeping. One thing that I know about a live session is that people tend to come, take the signal, monitor their things. So that's why the numbers move from about 30 to 16. Sometimes they move to 7, especially. Yes, if you're not in profit, guys, our entry point will never be the same because you don't you don't tell each other that you're gonna enter a signal at the same time. So do not worry. If someone is saying he's in profit, it doesn't have to be in profit. The person might have entered early or same time when they saw the signal. When you might just have entered now. So patience, the waiting game. It's all in the mind. The problem is that you have to add, but yeah, the whole time I was waiting for this movement, this thing that you see here, this consolidation. When I said the market is ugly, so I thought it would go up, which was gonna be a tricky signal. We're probably not gonna take it today, but then it went down as expected. So I was expecting some that I needed confirmation because we do not control the market. Guys, just pop up the questions in the chat box if so that you do not hear sound that are unnecessary. Remember, I said we're still waiting for a proper retest, which is entered. You are probably negative. We are gonna allow the retest to happen. It can be crazy, it can be too much, but then from here to profit, you must be able to add. Guys, learn to add on your own. I can't always be receiving text that, hey, Putty, please tell us when to add. No. So I'm telling you now, the retest is currently happening, the one that I expected. It is done. The market will go down and pass the movement that we had before. Please learn to add on your own. Well, I put it, you trade. Yes, I was trading gold USDT. The things that I've traded since I started trading, it's gold, Bitcoin, USDT. What else? Oh, and Deriv. I was a huge fan. My trading journey started at Deriv with boom and crash. So, but then so far I trade gold only, and it's crazy that I trade um, one signal or less than five signals a day. But then that helps me to be disciplined and save money also because it's not like you have big money to trade to take seven losses and three profits. So I trade gold only. I'm just good with gold. I don't know. I just love it. It has money. It can be abusive. Yeah, but then I trade gold only. People that just arrived, you can enter now. This we are about to conclude. I don't think it's gonna be a major retest. People already blew their account. Yo, whoever that blew the account must come to the VIP. They will see that when we are in the VIP, you will learn how to enter less because people will make money and then you will blow money. So even that pressure of me sending screenshots in the VIP will pressurize you to do things well. So you'll be shocked why people. So whoever that do the account, I recommend. Okay, my network is unstable. Okay, we are back with the network. So people all do the account there. You must come to VIP. You will suffer from profits. You will learn how to trade properly. guys, and for a month. So if you join on the 6th, I will check you out on the 6th of the following month. The day before that, I'll send you a poster that shows that. So yeah, I don't think I'll ever have lifetime signals to this amount of yeah consistency. There's no way that I can signals for lifetime and not just work because you only pay 300 for lifetime. So yeah, that's it. I don't have anything above a month. I don't have anything below a month. Just a month. It's like your iPhone subscription, the iCloud. Remember, I said we're currently having a pullback or a retest. You can call it whatever you call it in your term. Yeah, but then that's currently what's happening. So people who are over risking will get their account blown. People with less money but too many trades will also lose their accounts. So it happens. It's always like this. People that always take signals or people that always enter their own trades, um, they know that they somewhere starting negative. I know SMC people when they're right, they don't start in negative. The drawdown it's minimized. But in price action, we know that there's a riches to everything. We are testing the levels. So if you don't enter that less that I suffer. And this is yeah, I didn't have a live last week. So this is a comeback. Hopefully it gives us something. So Nkosinati, what is your lot size with that one position? Is it 0.02? or 0.01. If you're on 0.02, then you should have less than 100 rands negative. If you are on 0.01, then you should have minus 50 rands negative. If you entered where I entered, let's see what's happening. I don't have stop loss, my brother. So whatever you're asking me there is the same as someone who asked me, why should I take my profit? So I don't know, why would you love to put your stop? So the pullback, it's really happening now. It's really happening. As soon as we are done, then we chow. But then it's happening right now. But people with 0.01 and those other trades, you should never be in deep negative. No. Yeah, I'm saying if you have entered with, what's your drawdown there? How much are you running in negative? What I'm saying is that it should be negative. It should not be more out of that 310. Unless if you just entered now when we were moving down and now it's moving up and we are seeing flames. My balance is 200. I only open two. So I don't think opening two positions matters. What matters is how many lots in that two positions. Because someone can open one position with 0.1 or 1. It's a lot, regardless of how many positions you have. So is it 0.01 or 0.02? I think that is the question. Yeah, you are fine. You are even better than me. I have an entry at 3015, entry at 3017. I have an entry at 3016, 16, 7, 15, 16, 17. So you are okay. I'm sure you, what are you saying, 16? You should be on negatives, less than 50 rands, if that's what you really enter. Yeah, so that's a proper risk management. So we are done with this retest. You can see we are still hitting the block there. When you are done, make sure that you add. Make sure that you add, my guy. Once we are out of that box, but to the downs, I will let you know. Then we'll take a, and so far we just wait. It's the waiting game. Yeah, what I'm saying, Gosnat, is that you must add when it goes down. Must make sure that it suffers the same way it made you suffer. So, by the way, sometimes 6 o'clock changes direction. So you would see that we were on a perfect cell, then things just turn to the upside. So hopefully we'll be able to identify any changes. But so far we sell and we hold. Because Natty, please stop putting stop loss on a 300 account. Please stop that. You're just making it more complicated. It's not 3,000, it's 300. So you can't stop any loss because once you lose it, it's a loss itself. Allow losses to run. If you have to go into a loss of 150, allow it to run because 300 is not much of a, like, it's not much. It's a minimum deposit in trading. I know it's a lot to us in real world, but to trading, it's not a lot. It's a minimum deposit. So stop putting stop loss on those type of accounts. You are messing your account. You're gonna take a loss of 100 rand and now you'll run with 210. So please save yourself.
Yeah, so that's it. We are done with the retest. We're coming back to the profits. I hope people are still here. People are witnessing the truth, the light and the truth. Welcome to real trading. Let's kill this. So, guys, we're still at the block, but then I have 6 minutes until I close this live. So, what I normally do is that I will take a screenshot from where we are and I'll do the before and after, whether we lose or we win. Then, if there's a change of direction after this, I will send it in the groups. Okay, guys, it's been an hour since we went live, and we've been consolidating for the whole hour. So after I give the signal, the market just went up, down, went up, down. We're hoping for the market to shoot down to the low. I'm gonna close the live session and I'm gonna take a screenshot. Thank you everyone for joining. Next week Monday, let's meet again. Same time and same place.